How do GANs reshape the future of tech law for synthetic media? Imagine a world where creating a convincing video of someone saying or doing anything is just a matter of clicking a button. That's the power of Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs. These artificial intelligence tools can produce highly realistic images, videos, and audio that are almost impossible to tell apart from real content. As impressive as that sounds, it also opens up a whole new set of legal questions and challenges. GANs are behind the rise of deepfakes, which can impersonate people or make it look like events happened that never did. This raises serious concerns about privacy, defamation, and even election interference. Laws that protect individuals from false representations are now being tested by these synthetic media creations. Courts are finding it harder to verify if digital evidence is genuine, leading to calls for new rules and procedures to handle synthetic content. States and federal governments are starting to respond. Some states have passed laws to punish malicious use of deepfakes, like non-consensual explicit videos or fake political content. Federal lawmakers are working on legislation that could impose criminal penalties for harmful synthetic media and requiring AI-generated content to carry watermarks or disclaimers. This way, viewers can better identify what is real and what is synthetic. Legal disputes over intellectual property are also increasing. GANs can copy protected works or brands without permission, creating questions about who owns the generated content and who is liable for infringement. Privacy issues are equally complex. Synthetic media can violate personal rights by creating unauthorized images or videos of individuals. Laws need to balance protecting privacy rights with freedom of speech, especially when synthetic content is used for satire or commentary. For legal professionals, understanding how GANs work is becoming essential. They need to grasp the technology to effectively litigate cases and help craft policies. Data privacy laws like the California Consumer Privacy Act are also impacted because GANs often relying on large datasets that may include personal information. Using synthetic data for training raises questions about re-identification, risks, and compliance with data protection laws. Looking ahead, the future of tech law will involve updating evidence rules to better handle synthetic media's authenticity. New standards for watermarking and tracking AI-generated content are being developed. Digital forensic tools are also improving to detect deepfakes more reliably. Clarifying intellectual property rights around AI-created works will be key, along with balancing privacy protections with the need for innovation and free expression. In the end, GANs are reshaping how laws are written and enforced in the digital age. They challenge existing frameworks and push us to develop smarter, more adaptable legal tools. As synthetic media becomes more common, the legal system must keep pace to ensure trust, accountability, and fairness in our increasingly digital world.